Hey guys, Nathan here with Freedom Homes of Tulsa again. We're located over here at the traffic circle at Admiral and Mingo, and I wanted to show you guys the Splash. We also got this one decorated recently, looking really good. And so we do have all the low E double pane windows throughout on this one. So we've got energy efficiency that's really helping us out on that. Also have a real nice big island here right in the middle of the kitchen, which I thought they did a really good job. And then we do have our transom window, letting in some natural light there. We've got some plants up there, great spot to put some of those. And then throughout, we do have these Duracraft cabinets throughout the home. They're real durable. They've got a PVC coating on them, and so they're a lot more durable, water resistant, a lot easier to clean. So it's just all around good cabinet, good quality. We do have the built-in, which all that trim work, that's also made with the Duracraft material. So same song there. Then we do come back this way. We've got some space for kitchen table, whatever else you need over here. And then this does go right on into the laundry room. Let me get you guys a good overview shot before we make it in. All right, and then here we have the main bedroom, which a little bit different from my last video. They flip-flop the bathroom and the closet. So you still got about the same amount of space and everything. We still have our large luxury tub in here. We got nice privacy glass. Then again with our Duracraft, we've got that back here. And we do have a 48-inch shower. All right. Then, of course, back this way, we've got the two guest bedrooms. We've got one here. Looks like we kind of turned that into an office. We do have our Ecobee Thermostats. These are smart thermostat. You can connect that to your phone. It'll tell you whenever you need to change the filter. It's absolutely incredible. If you need to preheat the house when you're on your way home, well, you can go ahead and just do that from your phone. Got a guest bathroom here. Sorry about the lighting, guys. And we've got the final bedroom back here. Guys, we have this one on our lot. Feel free to come on by, come take a look at it. Again, we're at the traffic circle at Admiral and Mingo, or you can give us a call at 918-728-2277. See you guys soon.